Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check the volume slider and mute switches, then remove any case that might muffle sound. Once done, clean ports and speaker grills gently with compressed air or a soft brush to clear debris. Restart the phone to reset audio services. This often resolves temporary software conflicts. Then plug in headphones and play a test tone to determine whether the problem is isolated to the speaker, earpiece, or system-wide audio output. You now dive into software. Open settings and confirm app permissions for microphone and audio. Toggle permissions off and on to force a refresh. Next, update the OS and any audio-related apps, since bugs are often fixed in updates. Clear app caches or reinstall apps that misroute sound. Make sure Bluetooth isn't routing audio to a paired device by disabling Bluetooth briefly. Also inspect equalizer and accessibility audio settings, because a misconfigured profile can mute or redirect frequencies. And you finish by validating hardware. Record a voice memo and use speakerphone on a call to confirm both speaker and microphone function. If audio still fails after software steps, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last software resort. Make sure to use a full backup. If problems persist, contact an authorized repair service because damaged speakers, flex cables, or water exposure require physical repair. If intermittent, inspect for moisture or debris and make a note of any triggers to report to the technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.